Hi everyone, how is it going? It's your English lecture and the topic is meet the letter N. Page number 42 and 43. Let's come and open your books World of Letters. Come on the book page number 42. Here is a poem. Firstly we will sing the poem. After singing we will know about a new letter. So firstly sing with me. A napkin keeps me clean. My shining nose and hands have you seen? I use a napkin after food, so I am clean and feel so good. Now come on the reading and know about our new letter. Which letter is this? Do you know? It's a N. Which letter is this, students? N. And its sound is N. N. Its sound is N. N. Here you will know the words which start from N. N. Nest. What is this? Nest. N. Nest. And the next is nose. N. Nose. N. Nose. Read after me. And what is this? It's a neck. N. Neck. Garden. N. Neck. And this is napkin. N. Napkin. And it's a net. N. Net. N. Net. Now come and read with me, my kids. N. Nest. N. Nose. N. Neck. N. Napkin. During eating, we put the napkin in our lap. हम अपनी गोद में नैपकिन रखते हैं ताकि हमारे कपड़े ख़राब ना हो. It's a napkin. And the next word is net. N. Net. Come on the book page number 43. Here you will read and trace the letter N. And also you will match the nest that are the same and circle the letter N. Okay my kids, Allah Hafiz.